Alright, so I've gotten some more work done on my little Childish Wish dollhouse, and I wanted to show the progress. I'm not prepared yet to do tutorials because I need to set up a tripod and a camera, and I'm just not sure about all that yet. So this is what I've got done. Little robots are finished. Little roller coaster's coming along. I know I haven't updated in a while. And this over here is like a little ice cream stand, which I don't know, the ice creams look like they're not going to be so easy. Knocking everything down here. Should have probably put that one shelf a little lower there. I'm not sure. But I'm hoping to finish it soon. The pink one is adorable. It's got the cutest little doll. I want to get it just for the doll that's in it. So adorable. And then this is one that the Spring Romance that I've kind of lost focus on because there's so much wire bending, and it's a lot to focus on, but I'm gonna get that done. My boys bought that for me for Mother's Day, so I'm excited. Oh, we got the little thing falling here. I haven't glued that on yet. But this is for my little bear, my son, and he wants me to have it done. And this fancy thing is the battery pack. You would think that it was like a little puppet show thing, but the battery pack goes in there. Fancy, eh? And then you glue it up top and the back. So this kit is really cute. I got it on Banggood for $18.99, but I think they've just adjusted the price to $23.99. Definitely worth it though. I'll get that pink one when I can and make it for my granddaughter, if I can give it up. They're very, very hard to give up. I've made them with I started making these with the intent of selling them, and I sold one for $85, my castle, and then I couldn't let go of it, so I had to end up apologizing and reneging on the sale. I had sold it on Facebook, but yeah, they're very hard to let go of because they're a lot of work. And I had paid, the castle's $26.99 on Banggood now, but I had gotten it for $18.99. I noticed if you can catch them, as soon as they put them up, you get them cheap. So I like search every day and look and see what they've got. Alright, talk to you guys later. Have a great day. I'm always looking at your dollhouses, and I'm fascinated and inspired.